Hello and welcome back to Monty's Art Club. Today we're doing a fun space scene, so I'm starting with my fingers in the corner of my paper, then I'm doing a nice little curved line about 2 inches long. From there I'm going to do 2 lines that come up at a slight slant, right above it about 1 inch long, and then I'm going to close it off with another curved line. So it almost looks like an upside down top hat. After that I'm going to bring it up just slightly on that line, and then we're going to close that off, okay? All right, we're going to work our way on up here. So we're going up a little bit more, and then we're going to go ahead and add in the body of that spaceship. So it's almost like a really long torpedo shape that kind of comes out and then gets narrower as it gets towards the end of the rocket, okay? So we're closing that off. After that, we're going to come in with another line right below just to give it a band underneath there, give it a little bit more detail. Then I'm adding a circle right in the middle of that rocket. This is going to be for my window. I'm going to add in another circle to give that that window a bit of lining there. And then we're going to add in a cool little alien. So I'm doing like a nice little semicircle. And then we're going to add him some shoulders, cool little eyeball. And then lastly, a little bitty antenna kind of coming right out from the top of his head, okay? Next, we're going to add a curved line at the top. This is going to be for the tip of the rocket. Then we're going to come down from that first band. We're going to do 2 slanted lines, and then we're going to bring it up. So it almost looks like a check mark here, okay? And then we're going to connect it to the body of our rocket. So it's like we brought it out, then right back in. Now we're going to get started on our fire. So it's really just 2 really haphazard squiggly lines, and then you're going to do another one kind of right outside of it, okay? So we want to have 2 layers of that fire going. After that, I'm just going to add in a couple of planets. I'm going to fill my space up. So here I'm adding in a circular planet there, and then right here at the bottom I'm going to add another circle for another planet. For my bottom one, I'm going to add on some rings. So I'm just going to follow along outside of that main circle. It's almost like you're doing a band right around that circle, okay? And that's going to give your planet some rings. Once you've reached that point, we're going to go ahead and get started on the other details. So I'm going to be adding in some stars. And you can see I'm just kind of adding them in kind of randomly throughout the sky. For those who don't know how to make stars, I did it a little slower here. You're going to go down, over, up, down, up again, okay? So you're going to do that all over around your paper. At this point, I'm almost done. I'm just adding in a few small circles just to give my space a little bit more of a fuller look. After that, that's the end of our drawing, and we're going to go ahead and get coloring, okay? Once you have all of your favorite colors, we're going to jump right on in, okay? So I'm starting with my sky or space, but you can start with whatever part you want to when it comes to coloring, and you can use whatever color you want to. I always like to encourage you all to get creative, use your own choices, let your own creativity flow, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump on in. All right, that concludes the end of our fun space video. I hope you all really enjoyed this one. If you have anything specific that you want to do next, please shoot me a comment, shoot me a message. I do pay attention to all of those things. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Bye.